Good morning, you beautiful, handsome, cute people. Today we're gonna go vintage shopping because I wear the same clothes every vlog. I wanna switch it up and get some new clothes for me. Alright, let's go shopping. We're back. Alright, so we made it back home. The people in there didn't want to let me record, so I had to record it with my phone. I was a little sneaky with it, but besides that, I got two shirts. The first shirt I got was this right here. Simple t-shirt. It's a basketball tee, all white. Nothing on the back. I like the brown font. If I put like a jacket over it, then the brown would like look good in my opinion. And the second shirt I got was this right here. I love this shirt. This is fire in my opinion. The yellow pops out in the black. And the purple right here makes it so good. And the best part about this is the back. 2020, create the future, celebrate the past. Great quote for you guys. I love this t-shirt. Mucho bonito. Alright, so now we're gonna go buy 100 nuggets. I'm gonna try to finish it. Nuggets time. Alright guys, we got to the store. Let's go in. Doggy. Hey. Not anymore, bro. Dudes are clowning me for that toy. Hi, can I get 100 nuggets?
Huh?
100 nuggets.
100?
Yeah.
Spicy?
This is the video. Yeah, that's good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Mama, you too. All right.
Alright guys, we got the 100 nuggets. Let's get home. We're gonna unbox it and then eat it. Alright guys, we just made it back home. 100 nuggets laid out all the way here. So the challenge is, we're gonna try to finish it in 5 minutes. 100 nuggets in 5 minutes. The lady gave me so many sauce, bro. Okay guys, 100 nuggets, 5 minutes. 3, 2, 1, start. This is delicious. Oh my god, my jaw hurts. The jaw hurts so bad. Damn, I don't think it's gonna happen in 5 minutes. Spicy too. Oh no, 1 minute or 7. Oh Cheers. No, that's not that. Alright guys, I ate it so fast. We managed to finish it in 5 minutes. There's only 3 nuggets left, if you guys see. Drink water, everything, sauces all, you know. It was extremely spicy. As you eat more and more, it gets spicier and spicier, harder and harder. I had a gagging sensation. Hey, yo. I almost threw up mid video. It was extremely hard, but we managed to finish it. 3 left. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this short video. More coming soon. Like, comment, and subscribe. Other than that, take care of yourself, take care of one another, and I'm out.
Everybody wanna see me coming last, but I'm focused on the money, not the drugs I'll pass.